This brand is made in China and can be purchased directly from their website or through their Amazon store. The units feature 3 stages of filtration and their Smart Care algorithm, which uses air quality data as well as operational data to more accurately determine the remaining filter life, which can save money by only purchasing and replacing filters when it is actually necessary. They feature pure silent technology, which reduces the noise level on low speed to a level that is way below the level of a whisper. The Macro Pro model has a 283 square feet coverage area with a 183 CFM delivery rate and features a 3-color light for a visual indication of the current room air quality. The Macro Max S model has a much larger 423 square feet coverage area with a 273 CFM delivery rate, and the unit is Wi-Fi enabled so that it can be controlled through their app or with voice commands from Alexa and Google Home. The Turbo Pure X mode increases the performance by 50% for quick cleaning of the air, and the units have a noise rating that is equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator when on high speed. All of the units are backed by a good warranty that includes a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are unhappy for any reason.